Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley co-op on mobile. First, you'll need to enable the hidden multiplayer feature, which is available on Android and iOS, but not the Apple Arcade version. This experimental mode allows you to connect with friends over a local network using an IP address, offering a unique way to share your farming adventures. To unlock the co-op option, navigate to the game's title screen. You'll need to tap the leaves around the Stardew Valley logo in a specific sequence. Up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right. After this, press the question mark button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Close the credits, and a new co-op button will appear on the main menu. Once the co-op option is visible, select it. If you're hosting, choose Host to start a new farm or open an existing save file for others to join. Remember to find and share your device's IP address with your friends. If you're joining, select Join and accurately enter the host's IP address to connect to their farm. For the smoothest experience, ensure all players are connected to the same local Wi-Fi network. While mobile co-op is exciting, it's an experimental feature, so you might encounter occasional bugs or connectivity issues. It's always a good idea to back up any important save files before diving into a multiplayer session. Enjoy farming together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.